crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs. Today I am so excited to bring to you the new 49 and Market mystery box, and this one is from the April-May time frame 2025. If you would indulge me for a moment for a little bit of housekeeping, otherwise you can skip ahead to the unboxing. I just have a couple things to go over. So the last box that came out was in October 2024, and that was the first time that I had gotten one of the boxes. And I could not believe the response from it. People just love the boxes, and it's an amazing, amazing value. So now we have this one from the April-May 2025 time frame. Today is going to be a speed run version, if you will. I'm just going to go through what's in the box, show you what I received. Everybody's box is a little bit different. And then, same as last year, I had a viewer request to do a deeper dive into each of the items and, opening the packages and looking at everything that's included in the packaging. So I will be making another video for that. I do actually have another box coming from scrapbook.com. They have a box that I guess is curated just for scrapbook.com. So whenever that arrives, I will do an unboxing of that one as well. So these boxes are very, very, very popular. If it's something that you want to get, I would run, don't walk to your favorite craft retailer and pick one up. The box itself is valued at over $200, and you can get it for $59.99, which is an outstanding value. And it's gonna blow your mind when we open this up. I will list everything that is included in the box I received. I'll put that in the description, because sometimes you might see a product that you're like, ooh, I really like that. I want to look at that collection. So I will list all the things that came. Sometimes there's things in there that are retired or are retiring. So I will try my best to find a link or list it there so that you can check it out for yourself. I think that is it. So let's get this started. I got this mystery box from A Cherry on Top. I love them. They have great shipping and great prices and everything like that, just for the regular craft supplies. So that's where this came from. It isn't just a regular box with a little tag on there. So let's get this open. I think I'll probably take everything out and then kind of go through it. It might be easier. Oh goodness, I'm excited. All right. I'm trying not to peek. And you try not to peek. Alright, let's get all that. Okay, already. Can you see why this is an amazing value? Like, it is absolutely crazy to me that they can give all of this to you for $59.99. But anyway, I digress. Let's see. We have quite a few. We have a couple of washi tape and washi tape stickers. This one is the Meadow washi tape from the Curators. And this has a lot of cool imagery on it. I think this is just one roll. Ugh. Let me peek in it really quick. I can't resist. Yeah, so it's a 4-inch wide washi tape. Alright, let's see. And then this one is the Spectrum Sherbet. That's a weird word. I just forget. I want to say sherbet, but I think it's sherbet. I don't know. How do you say it? Either way. Alright, this one is 6 rolls. So a lot of really cool options on that one. Here's what they look like. I like the stitching one. Alright, oh, and then we have this one. The washi tape stickers. And this is the Wherever collection. And these, I don't know if you've ever seen these, but these, each one, you can peel off. So they're like kiss cut, I think they call it, so that you can take off just whatever you want on here. It's not like a whole big roll. So those are stickers. Alright. This one is the ARToptions Plum Grove, and this is the chipboard set. So this has a lot of, I'll show you on the back, little frames, some tabs, a lot of little like saying things, some hearts, a little bit of flowers. So these are so cute. And I love the colors on the Plum Grove. They're very fall, very rich. Let's see. This one is the Vintage Artistry Naturalist book plates. So this you can, they're die cut pieces, but you can use them to, you know, kind of make a book or have, you know, like add to a like a junk journal, have it look like old book pages. So it's really cool. And I love those, of course. Alright, let's see. What's this? Woo! I have never seen the mango before. What is this? Vintage Artistry Colors Mango. So this is the Mango Ephemera stack. This is really cool. It's got like a doily. It's got one of those like, oh my gosh, what is that? You know, like it's like remember the old machine, like the red, and you like click the thing down and it goes around and you can see each slide through the opening. I need to look that up, what that is. Anyway, I'm having a brain fart. Oh, lots of cool stuff. A lot of good little like layering things on that. That's really cool. I like the envelopes. So there's that. And then we have the Vintage Artistry in the Leaves chipboard stickers. These are really great. Butterfly. These are very fall also. Yeah, hello sweater weather. So these are really thick and sturdy chipboard stickers. Ooh! Look at these. These are handmade paper flowers, sunflowers, in the amber color. I could probably get away with put those together. Those are really pretty. Alright, let's see. This is the Wherever, and this is Wherever Ride Rub-On transfers. So a lot of like traveling. I love the I love trains. Like you never see any train stuff, so that's pretty exciting because I love trains. And the railroad signs and all that, and the old cars, postage. That's really cool. I'm excited about this. Alright, then we have the ARToptions Plum Grove, and this is the laser cut elements. So if you've never used these before, these are paper, but they punch out very, very easily, and you don't get that like white border or anything, and you can use them on your projects and layer things up. I just love these. That's exciting. I don't think I have these in the Plum Grove. There's a lot of frames, butterflies. So that's cool. Let's see what else. Alright, I haven't seen this one either. Color Swatch Peach Rub-On Transfers. And there are 6 sheets in here, and this is what that looks like. It's a whole sheet of butterflies, flowers, leaves, kind of like splotchy with text. You got some borders and some word sentiment things. So that is cool. That's really interesting. I haven't seen the peach, so it's a really pretty color. Let's see. I love this. Ugh. Look at look at these butterflies. These grungy butterflies. This is the Essential Textblends Pewter Rub-On Transfers from the Vintage Bits. These are great. These have 2 sheets. And these would add a lot of interest to, you know, like the front of your card with just the, you know, the text and the distressed, you know, splotchy looking. So that's really cool. Let's see. Ooh, the Moonlit Garden Cluster Kit. So this has, let's see, laser cut elements, let's see, chipboard, stickers, ephemera, buttons, mini paper clips, and string. So you can either copy what they made here or you can make your own. And then so you have a lot of here's the stickers with the tabs, the like real buttons in there and the string and all that. That's really cool. And you can make the clusters and you can put them on the front of your card. So you could put them in if you're doing scrapbooking, all that. Ooh. Alright. Let's see. Vintage Artistry Ultimate Page Kit. And this one has 4+ sheets of 12 by 12 paper, 4 sheets of 12 by 12 laser cut elements. Holy cow. Let's see. Chipboard shapes that have adhesive on them, 18 assorted buttons, leather cord, baker's twine, and a bobbin of thread. So you can use these to make scrapbook layouts, and you can model on that or do whatever you like to do, but these are great. So fun, so fun. Wow. Okay. And it's all in one thing, and you can make 4 pages of that. Let's see. Running out of room. Let me get these other packs, and we can kind of go through this paper. Whoa! Holy cow. Okay. Alright, we have the 12 by 12 Rouge sentiments that are the rub-ons. There's 1 sheet in here, and these are great. Like if you're doing a scrapbook layout and you had needed one of those like big sentiments on there, or this could actually really take up quite a bit of real estate on the front of a card, and that would be cool. Like you could do like a mini slimline or a slimline with this. And the colors are great. Alright, let's see. Ooh! The Evergreen Season 12 by 12 collection pack. So it has 10 papers in here. These are so pretty, these florals. Look at that. Ooh. This is great. Winter and Christmas and holiday and all that. Awesome. Alright, what is this? Oh, I think these are just like loose laser cuts. So this one we have more of a yellowy. Butterfly. It's got the lace, some stamps. And then on this side, we have some windows, tickets, butterflies. Oh, that's so great. Alright, and I think, alright, that is all of that. And then we have a ton of pattern paper. Look at the purples on this. Woo! This one is from Vintage Artistry. This is the gestural. The purples. I just love this. Oh my gosh. Same collection. This one is Mystique. Well, this neutral, and you can just see a little bit of script there. This is also Vintage Artistry, and it's called Fleur. Oh, so pretty. Oh my gosh. Holy cow, look at this one. I've never seen this one before. Remnants Mini Collection, and it's called Etching. Oh, this is so good. Like, I love the distressing and the blue on this. Wait, look at that back. This one is called Modern Romance. Very soft and sweet. This one is Christmas Spectacular Colored Foundation Paper 4. This one is back to the Vintage Artistry. This is the Bibliophile. These are great colors on this. And this would be a great scrapbook layout. They kind of help you right along with it. This one is called Summer Porch, and it's the Solids Paper 3. This one is from Evergreen Season, and it's called Cheerful Christmas Star. Look at that. And then this one is the Summer Porch Solids Paper number 4. So there you have it. These are all the things that I received in my 49 Market mystery box. And you might get same, similar, not at all. But it's the one thing that is true is that this is an amazing value for your money. And I cannot believe that they give you all of this for $59. I'm like, that's just crazy to me. Anyway, it's amazing value. So again, I will link all of these. If I can find links for them, I will put that in the description box. Come join me over on Facebook. I post cards, sales, cards, videos, and any crafty sales I come across. So it's a great resource to you. And I have a new blog, and that is at egidesigns.com, so you can join me over there as well. Yeah. So, oh, and I would really, really love to have you as a subscriber if you want to hit that button. It really helps out my channel and helps me get out to more people and to share these amazing, wonderful things with. Anyway, until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and I hope you have an amazing day, and thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.
Here are a couple more videos I thought you might like. Thanks so much for watching.